Hello everyone, my name's Mike, I'm from Kitchener, Ontario, and I got to review these Maximum gloves. They're impact gloves, they're an awesome fit. I got medium and they're really good. You have a little pull strap too here that I thought was really thoughtful. You pull it up and then you use the Velcro strap at the wrist to secure the glove. It's got 4 touchscreen fingers on both of the gloves and a little inside section. I don't know what the inside section you'd really use for, but it is there. I can't showcase that to anyone because I'm using my phone to record right now, but yeah, all in all, it's a great glove. I didn't really use it for the shop. I've used it for another reason. Behind me I have my bike here, and they're a great way to just use them as riding gloves. I know they're probably not, recommended, or I'm not endorsing you use them as motorcycle gloves, but that's just what I'm using them for. And they're a great fit. They're they don't wear you out, or they don't wear the knuckles out or anything like that. They give you that protection between you and the road just in case. And motorcycle equipment is very expensive, and I just thought this was an awesome dual purpose for these gloves. Thank you for listening to my review. I hope you have a great day. All in all, I would definitely recommend these gloves to friends and family, and I suggest you pick them up at your local Canadian Tire.